Hola, chicas! I'm here with my friend today. Her name is Evalia. You can call her Eva Chan or Eva. Yeah.
You
Yeah.
can call me baby.
Es mi perro. Evalia es mi perro. Yes. Sí.
Yeah. I'm already confused.
Can you bark? Can you bark? So pero is doggo. You said you're a ghost, but
I'm a banshee. I'm a banshee spirit.
yeah,
Okay.
banshee that is supposed to be scary and haunting, but she barked for
I
me.
can be scary.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah? Show me.
Boo.
How am I supposed to react to that? How am I supposed to?
Be like,